A brand new AI model just claimed it can do what GPT-5 does, using 1,000th of the compute. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Friday, May 15, 2026.
Subquadratic just dropped SubQ, the world's first fully subquadratic frontier model. It requires 1000x less compute than rivals and packs a 12 million token context window.
That means AI agents could theoretically work for weeks straight without losing the plot. Early access is open now. OpenAI is swapping out ChatGPT's default model for GPT-5.5 Instant. The big claim, 52.5% fewer hallucinated claims than its predecessor, especially in medicine, law, and finance. That's a meaningful upgrade for the hundreds of millions of people using ChatGPT every day. Claude and Perplexity launched finance AI tools within hours of each other. Anthropic dropped ready-to-run agent templates for valuation reviews and month-end closes. Perplexity fired back with 35 finance workflows.
Enterprise finance automation just became the hottest battleground in AI. Coinbase is cutting 14% of its workforce, and CEO Brian Armstrong was blunt. AI is reshaping who they hire. Every manager becomes a contributor.
Every role expands. Companies like Zencoder and Vercel are following the same playbook. The AI native employee isn't the future. It's the job requirement.
That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race.
Leave your thoughts about subquadratic AI's real-world compute impact in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.